Tabitha is enjoying this backyard webcam bird feeder on YouTube. Oops, sorry, just changing hands. What do you see there, little baby? Oh, you tie your board. Look at these beautiful cardinals. I'll put a link of this backyard camera and ignore the loud talking in the background. That's the lodger working. You're gonna get those birdies? Are you? Yeah. Isn't she cute? Oh. She still won't let me cuddle her. Every now and then she looks like she's gonna let me cuddle her, but then she changes her mind. But that's okay. Maybe she's not the cuddly type. Oh, she cuddles with the lodger, so she's happy. Just want them to be happy. Isn't she adorable? Oh. Tabitha, look at the camera. She purposely ignores me. Oh, what do you see? Oh, emergency foot washing. Oh no. Clean that paw. I'm sure the birds will wait. You're gonna get the birds? Are you? Well, this could go on for quite a while, and I think it probably will. I have this on all the time. I love watching these birds. I love birds. So I have it on all the time. The kittens like birds too, but I think for different reasons. You know. Anyway, Tabitha says goodbye. Say goodbye, Tabitha. No, she's not going to say goodbye.